Hello and welcome to my channel, Looken. I am Frank. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter has become a standard for folding knives. It is an icon of American design. It's part of Americana, a set of objects and traditions that shapes our vision of USA. It alone is a part of the American dream. It is also one of the best-selling knives in the world, with 15 million since 1964, and its design is one of the most imitated knife patterns in the world. First thing first, a little history. The Buck 110 was created in 1963 and began marketing in 1964. It was created by Al Buck and its team. The idea was to make a folding hunter knife. Before, there was only fixed blades hunting knives such as the 119. The goal was to take all the benefits of a Bowie knife and to bring it up to a folding knife. So they kept the clip point shape of the 119 and added a locking mechanism with a spring to secure the blade open. So, how does it work? A little drawing will help us. To make this knife as secure as a fixed blade, a locking mechanism was created. On the one hand, it works with a spring inserted in a spacer that will press on the lock lever, and on the other hand, it has a hook and notch duo. This is what is called a lockback. With this system, the blade is automatically locked as soon as it is fully opened. To close it, you will have to depress the button at the back. This will raise the lever on its pivot and open the hook and notch duo. When the lock lever is raised, the blade is free to be closed. Simple and effective. It is a reliable mechanism, but you will need to clean it from time to time to take off dust and debris that could prevent a strong locking. You know that your knife is locked when you hear that famous snap. Regarding construction, side panels and bolsters are made of brass, while spacer, spring bar, pivot, and lock lever are made of stainless steel. Since 1993, the blade is made of 420HC stainless steel. It is not the best steel, but Buck Knives masters that steel. At Buck Knives, heat treating is almost a religion. It began with Hoyt Buck that has always improved the heat treating of its blades to get the best out of the steel. And it continued with Paul Boss, who is one of the best specialists in the heat treatment of steel. So yes, it's only 420HC, but it is a good 420HC. A perfect balance between hardness, easy sharpening, oxidation resistance, and edge retention. The handle scales are made of ebony. It is Qualicam ebony. That means that this wood is responsible trade ebony. The wood is really beautiful, contrasting with steel and brass. There are many models of Buck 110 with different materials, different openings, automatic opening, different steel for the blade. I am showing a classic 110 and a finger-grooved model. Those are classic models, but you can even make your own on Buck's website by creating your custom 110. Like any other classic 110, you can open it with one hand. This stunt was carried out by a professional without special effects or digital effects. Please do not reproduce at home. The 110 comes with a leather sheath. Don't forget to insert it in the right way. That means with the button up. Otherwise, it won't fit. In a nutshell, I would say that this knife is one of my all-time favorite knives. It is sturdy, reliable, and it is beautiful. It is a legend among folding knives. But it is a big knife, so you will need the leather sheath. Please check if it is allowed to possess it, to use it, to carry it in your state or country. The Buck 110 is a switchblade with a locking mechanism, so it might not be allowed by your local laws. This is the knife to offer or to treat yourself, an easy way to own a piece of the American dream. If you like that video, please subscribe. Please like, share, comment down below. It really helps out the channel to grow. Thank you for watching. I am still Frank, and you're still watching Lux Lux Lucam. Take care and see you soon.